Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to switch between multiple Discord accounts on iPhone. First, open the Discord app and log in with one of your accounts. Tap your profile at the bottom. After that, scroll down and look for the Tap Switch Accounts option. Then tap Add Accounts to log in with another Discord account. Select the account you want to switch to. Discord will switch instantly without logging out. Privacy tip: don't only switch accounts on your personal device to prevent unauthorized access. Quick fix: if accounts don't appear, log out and back in to refresh the list. Make sure all accounts are verified through email. Contact Discord support if switching fails. And that's it. Subscribe for more